Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to import multiple worksheets into an active workbook using a Power Query.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my screen, I have opened Sheet Records Excel workbook which contains 3 Excel sheets: country, student and employee. This Excel workbook is on my desktop. So let's check that one. This is the Excel sheet records on my desktop. Now I want to import this data into a new workbook. So first let's open one new workbook, Excel. Now in this book 4 Excel workbook, I want to import these all 3 Excel sheets using a Power Query. So for that it's very easy steps. In our new active workbook, which I want to get all the data, book 4, which is a book 4, click the data from the menu option, new query, from file, from workbook. Here in this workbook we have to select our Excel workbook sheets which I have saved on my desktop. This is a sheet records workbook, name is click import. Notice here we got the navigator of that Excel workbook file which contains 3 objects which are nothing but our Excel sheets: country, employee and student. Now I want to import these 3 Excel sheets, so we need to select multiple items. Select that one. Now I can able to select all the Excel sheets. If you want, you can select only 2. Now I am selecting 3 Excel sheets. Now what I'll do is, it's already Power Query applied here. Now click the button control load and load to. Here load to, select how you want to view this data in your workbook. I'm selecting the table. I want to, as a table I want to convert. Now new worksheets, because we have 3 worksheets, so every worksheet I want to create a new worksheet. So I have selected new worksheet, click load. See, workbook queries, Power Query is applied to all the 3 Excel sheets. The sheet 1 is blank, sheet 2 contains the country, sheet 3 contains the employee details and student details. Now the benefit when we are using the Power Query is, when we change or delete, when we add any record or delete any modifications in our previous Excel sheets. This is the sheets records. Now here I am adding one new record, 7 Lalita, she is female. Now let's save this file. Now check what will happen here. In sheet 3 we have the student records. We have only 6 records here. 6 is the Varun. If we check here, 6 is the Varun. And 7th is Lalita. We have saved this file already. Now when I refresh this data, go to data and refresh all. See, here we got the Lalita is updated. Now when you delete any record from the student, I am deleting the Jack record. Delete. So Jack record has been deleted successfully. Let's save this file. Again switch over to our active workbook. Now this is the student data. We have deleted the Jack record. Now refresh all. See, Jack has been deleted from the book 4 Excel work. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained, I have showed how to import multiple Excel sheets from a workbook into another workbook using a Power Query. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.